Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Pilot battery, guiding you through each step. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always put on your safety goggles and insulated gloves to protect your eyes and hands from potential battery acid. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, dry surface with the parking brake engaged. Also, turn off the engine and remove the keys from the ignition to prevent any accidental power surges. Taking these precautions ensures a safe and smooth battery replacement process. Now, let's gather the necessary tools for the job. You'll need a 10mm wrench or a socket set to loosen the battery terminals and hold down. A wire brush is crucial for cleaning corrosion, and a flathead screwdriver might be needed for any plastic clips or air intake components that cover the battery. Once you have your tools, open the hood and locate the battery. For many Honda Pilots, you'll find it on the passenger side. Carefully remove any plastic covers or air intake assemblies that might be blocking access to the battery. With access clear, it's time to disconnect the old battery. Remember the golden rule: always disconnect the negative terminal first. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the black or negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away. Next, disconnect the red or positive terminal. After both cables are safely out of the way, loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp or any fasteners securing the battery. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Be aware that it can weigh between 40 and 60 pounds. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals with your wire brush to remove any corrosion. Now, carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it's oriented correctly with the positive and negative posts aligned. Connect the positive cable first, tightening it securely with your wrench. Then, connect the negative cable and tighten it. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp, ensuring the battery is firmly in place. Double-check all connections are snug, then replace any covers or air intake components you removed. Finally, remember to recycle your old battery responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.